Léon Joseph Florentin Bonnat was born June 20, 1833, died September 8, 1922. He was a French painter, Grand Officer of the Légion d'honneur and professor at the Ecole des Beaux Arts. Bonnat's vivid portraits of contemporary celebrities are his most characteristic works, but his most important works are arguably his powerful religious paintings, such as his Christ on the Cross, Job, St. Vincent taking the place of two galley slaves, and the large Martyrdom of St Denis for the Pantheon in Paris. However, he received few commissions for religious and historical paintings, and most of his output consists of portraits. He also produced genre paintings of Italian peasants, and a small number of Orientalist scenes.